Free laundry.
We're doing a special pop-up Neighbor Through Laundry Day event today at Supermat Laundromat on Colleton Road in Sarasota. And our volunteers today are all students from the IU Lilly School of Philanthropy, here for 1 week in a study away program. And today, a special event for all of them to participate in is our pop-up Neighbor Through Laundry event.
It's an incredible way to see and to feel, to experience what it means to be philanthropic, and to do it in a way that is engaged with real people. We're not just sitting in a classroom thinking about how to make the world better.
Really unique opportunity to see another community in a different way. I grew up in Indianapolis, I've lived there, I go to school there, so to come down to Florida and be a part of a community and feel so welcomed here is really a special experience.
It's nice for the students to see the partnerships between the Patterson Foundation, the many resources that come for this day as well, and then the laundromat. So it's the community coming together to make things better for the people who live here, and I think it's a wonderful opportunity for the students to see that.
And I gotta say, this is my first time doing a pop-up laundry, and it was amazing. Giving an important service to families.
Oh, great, and thank you so much to let us do the free laundry.
You know, people's faces light up when they see your foundation is here, and they're like, wow, we can't believe someone's doing this for us. And so it's that experience that really just like makes it all worth it at the end of the day.
Community is very much important to me because I wouldn't be here today without the community that helped supported me before and during this process now. So it means so much to me to be able to give back, so just paying it forward.
We're actually in the world learning how to be better with our community. So it's a connection that's happening in TPF. It takes this very seriously, but they also have a lot of fun doing it, and we get to see that happen, especially through pop-up laundry.
Not too fast. Not too fast. We're going.